Hello everyone. Let's learn how to install the rack. First, fix the two columns with screws and square washers. Align the hole position of the bow with two circular gaskets and fix with screws. Install other two columns using the same method. Install another bottom plate. Install the screw and gasket but do not tighten it. When installing the movable plate, align the pin with the hole position on the bottom plate. Install the remaining screws and gaskets. And tighten all screws. Pull the movable board several times to see if it jumps to you. Any question, please contact us. Bye bye.